Siguradong isa sa mga umiiyak at nagluluksa ngayon sa pagkamatay ng veteran actor na si Ronaldo Valdez ay si Catherine Bernardo. Naging malapit sa isa't isa ang dalawa nang gawin nila ang hit kapamilya series na Too Good to Be True, kung saan nakasama rin nila ang ex-boyfriend ni Kath na si Daniel Padilla. Kahapon, December 17, pumanaw ang tatay ng TV host comedian na si Jano Gibbs na talaga namang ikinabigla ng lahat ng nagmamahal at sumusuporta sa kanya. At isa na nga riyan si Catherine na naglabas na rin ng kanyang patribute sa namatay na award-winning veteran actor sa pamamagitan ng Instagram. Nag-share si Kath sa kanyang IG stories ng mga memorable photos at video nila ni Ronaldo kabilang na ang mga BTS, behind the scenes, habang nasa shooting ng Too Good to Be True, kung saan gumanap ang aktor bilang si Lolo Sir. Wala siyang inilagay na caption o mensahe sa kanyang post ngunit mararamdaman mo ang kanilang closeness na parang tunay na maglolo. Matatanda ang nag-post si Catherine sa IG noong November 2022 ng madamdamin at emosyonal video nila ng veteranong aktor pagkatapos nilang gawin ang huling eksena sa kanilang serye. Kalakip nito ang mahaba niyang open letter para sa kanyang Lolo Sir. Narito ang bahagi ng mensahe ni Kath para kay Ronaldo Valdez. I've been your greatest fan since CDN Munting Paraiso. Whenever people ask me, sino dream mo makatrabaho, my immediate answer would be Mr. Ronaldo Valdez. Fast forward to 2021, it seemed like God answered my prayer because you agreed to do this project with us. You probably have no idea how much it meant to me and how excited I was. I tried to get to know you day by day, cycle by cycle, then whoosh. We just clicked. I had no idea you were as matako and into sweets just like me. And oops, pareho din tayo iyakin. Ha ha ha. God knows how much I enjoyed doing every scene with such brilliant and genuine actor like you, Tito Ron. Tito Ron, Ali, role niya sa kanilang serye, wouldn't be effective without Lolo Sir. She wouldn't have been able to do every single scene if not for your support. You show us who you really are behind the veteran actor, people know you as, and we just loved you even more. I didn't expect to be so close to you. Thank you, thank you. I'm crying again, as I compose this message because I realize this is it, it's finally over. As they always say, no goodbyes. The memories we shared for a year will always be in my heart. You know that I will always be here for you, right? Kung makulat si Ali, mas makulat si Kath. I will always protect you and check on you, Beck. We always want what's best for you. Seeing you happy make us all happy. I'm saying this on behalf of your trusted circle. I love you so much, my Lolo Sir. Alipat and Kath are both lucky to have experienced this journey with you. From the bottom of my heart, thank you, Tito Ron. You are the lolo I never had, ang pahayag pa ni Catherine para kay Ronaldo Valdez.